In this tutorial, you'll learn the key steps to create a photo collage in GIMP. To begin, open the File menu to access file creation and import options. This is where you'll start a new canvas for your collage. Next, select the Width input field to set the desired dimensions for your project, ensuring your canvas suits your images. Now, adjust the slider as needed to fine-tune the values, preparing the workspace for your image layers. Open the File menu again and select Open as Layers to import your photos as separate layers, which is essential for arranging them in your collage. With the File dialog open, select each image you want to include. Adding multiple photos as layers lets you position and edit them individually. Choose the Color Selection tool if you want to modify backgrounds or border colors to enhance your collage design. Select the Unified Transform tool to resize, rotate, or move your photo layers, helping you arrange each image just how you like. Adjust the zoom slider as needed to get a closer or wider view of your work area. Use the drag function to reposition layers, making it easy to move images around the canvas. Select the Rectangle tool to draw shapes, such as colored backdrops or frames for your photos. Enable the desired direction and adjust the zoom if needed to refine your layout details. Open the Adjust drop-down to change layer opacity, allowing you to blend images creatively. Choose the Rectangle tool again if you want to add more shapes or highlights to your collage. Now, adjust the vertical position and value sliders to align your photos exactly where you want them in the composition. Use the Color Square tool to pick fill colors for any backgrounds or shapes. Adjust the shear input to creatively distort or skew image layers for unique effects. Select Color Fill to apply new colors to parts of your layout, giving your collage a custom look. Finally, use the Rectangle tool again to add finishing touches, such as borders or extra design elements. You've now learned how to arrange and customize a photo collage in GIMP.